Hey, welcome back to Calvin Season Firewood. I almost forgot to turn you guys on. I was splitting for about an hour, hour and a half, and then I realized I might as well do a little video. But today what I'm working on is my hickory pile. I moved all that hickory over to here so I could just toss it into into my pile instead of unloading it by the trailer like I usually do. Hopefully this way I go by faster. As you can see, I got the all wood set up right there. Just load the arm and throw it over, toss it over in the pile. This is already seasoned right here. All this stuff behind me, all that seasoned. It's been there probably about 9 months. As you can see, I'll show you right here the size that I split my firewood. I split a couple different sizes right here. For one, it dries quicker, and a lot of the barbecue guys like that. And it's decent size for a homeowner when they order hickory. You know, some homeowners like the small sizes too. But show the hickory over here. This is what I got left of the hickory. So I can get over here without breaking my neck. Or make it on YouTube, fall down or something. But this is my hickory, and this is my oak. 2 piles of oak. Got another semi coming, 19th, I believe. I'm gonna check my schedule. Got an order today. My buddy Doug, he ordered a face cord of the oak and a face cord of the hickory. No, apple. He wants some apple. Some cookies doing, I think in December, he said. But you guys will come along with me tomorrow. But this is the hickory I got left right here. All the hickory that I had earlier. And this right here. That's all I got left. I'll probably order more. I got to get a hold of the logger to see when he can get hickory. But from what was there, that was quite a bit of hickory that was there earlier. This is all our, all this. This will be burned in our boiler. For our boiler, this is boiler wood. But what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna set you up, and we're just gonna split for a minute. Show you the apple. This is our apple. We don't have much left. A lot of people like apple. This is all apple. You can tell by the bark. See the bark on it? Kind of grayish, flaky. But this used to be full. This used to be full. Obviously, this is still full. But I'll get Doug his loaded up tomorrow. Sorry, I'm red in the face, but I was lifting that hickory up. There goes the neighbor's dog chasing a car down the road. But comes my dog. There's my other dog. But yeah, we're gonna do this hickory real quick for another hour, and hopefully there's a lot of hickory here. There's probably about maybe 12 face cords here that need to be split. That's quite a bit. All 16, 17-inch rounds. But like I said, hickory grows quick all year. In the summer, the barbecue guys want it. In the winter, obviously, homeowners want it because of the BTU ratings. It's better than oak. There's only a couple more wood that have a higher BTU rating than hickory. But like I said, stand by. We're gonna finish. Well, we're gonna split this for another hour, maybe another 2 hours. So we'll see how my back lasts. But I enjoy you guys liking my videos, watching them, and we're just gonna split for the rest of the day till I go hunting this afternoon around 3. All right, thanks guys. Enjoy it. folks, that was 2 hours of splitting right there. You see the piles getting bigger and bigger. Hoping to get all this hickory done by the time snow flies, before we get several inches of snow. You can see how much I did today. The hickory was actually, let's see here, it was all the way to the tire out the splitter, probably waist high. So you can see, got pretty much a lot done today for 2 hours. But this is how I store it. Store it on the concrete blocks right there. As you can see, got them all the way through, all the way back. But yeah, I got them concrete for free a couple years ago. Got like 3 or 4 pallets, 5 pallets of them, something like that, for free. There goes my dog again. He loves his firewood. Remember that the other day I told you about the how he grabbed that piece of apple. He's back at it with hickory. They both love it. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go do that delivery into Doug. I've been selling Doug probably about 10 years now, maybe 11 years. But he usually gets a lot of cherry from me. But this time he wants some oak and red oak, white oak mix, and some apple. So we're gonna do that tomorrow morning. And then probably come back and probably split more of this since it's cold. As you can see in the videos, it's splitting a lot easier being cold than it is at 80, 90 degrees outside. When it's hot out, it seems like it splinters a lot more. You got to run it through the splitter multiple times because it's real stringy. When it's cold, it seems just to snap like oak, white oak, and cherry. You know, it seems a lot easier. But as you can tell, when you look at it, it doesn't even look stringy. You know, take a look at it. See this stuff over here I split during the summer. You see how stringy it is, some of them pieces. See the big difference? Huge difference. Like right here, see that stringiness? Just makes you gotta run it through the splitter so many times. And you know, some people ask, you know, why is hickory $30 more? It's like, well, for one, I got to run it through the splitter multiple times, you know, especially during the summer. But in the winter, you really don't have to. Some you do, some you don't. But it's just a pain in the butt type of wood, if you ask me. I mean, it has high BTUs, obviously. It's one of the best woods. But there is plenty better than hickory. But yeah, so tomorrow that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver that, come back, split some of this hickory, try to get this done in a few days. I'm gonna have that semi here. That's I think our 4th semi this year, if I'm not mistaken. I have to look in my books. I think it's 4. Comes from Gaylord, Michigan, in the middle of the state. About 2.5, maybe I think 3 hours, something like that. But hopefully I can get some good videos of that for you guys. It's kind of cool to watch them unload. But all right, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning on that delivery. And like I said, I appreciate you guys watching. All right, have a good day, guys.